Welcome back to Bebe's Kitchen. Today I will show you how I make my delicious fall off the bone barbecue ribs in the oven. Let's get to it. First I take my ribs and I give it a quick rinse. I'm just going to examine each one. If there's any excess fat, go ahead and remove them now. Then I'm going to go over them with my sour orange and lime. I have my hot water boiling in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and pour it over my ribs. And let it sit for a good 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to season my ribs. This is my special spice that I like to use, but you can use whatever spice you prefer. Add a teaspoon of oregano. Now I'm going to add some complete seasoning. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic salt. I'm going to add my sour orange juice that I reserved from the beginning. Give it a quick stir. Add a little bit of maggi. Now I'm going to add the ribs back into the bowl with the spices. Go ahead and give it a good mix. Now I'm gonna add the ribs to the pan. I usually like to add aluminum foil at the bottom for easy cleanup at the end. I'm gonna leave them side by side. With my oven preheated to 375 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and put the ribs in for a good 45 minutes. This is what it starts to look like after 25 minutes. In a separate bowl, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out some barbecue sauce. Go ahead and add the ribs in my barbecue sauce. Give it a good shake. Now I'm going to place the barbecue ribs back in the oven for another 15 minutes. There you have it, delicious barbecue ribs. Bon appetit!